Good morning, everyone. It's Lonnie. We're in the shed and we have to pull some orders. I just got finished sneezing, if I'm talking kind of funny. I had to change my schedule up some today. So first thing I had to do was edit video, and I've got that rendering out. That'll be the one you saw yesterday. So, I mean, that's just something I had to do today. Again, I'm not going to be able to do my 3 listings first thing. I just can't. But I do have things going out. First one, I'm going to do the second account first, is this Yashica. The reason I have it in this box is because it's going international, and I had to get a pretty solid weight for the international shipping. Somebody bought it from France. I'm shipping it direct to France, and I can't remember what the label. I think the shipping is like 25 bucks to France, which really wasn't bad. I didn't think. I mean, it's 2 pounds to France. Well, California would be half that. So, but yeah, that thing sold for $37.99 plus shipping on top. All right, I just pulled this out of the drawer. The other thing that sold is a iPod Shuffle, and I actually bought another iPod Shuffle, a purple one, and I already had a pink one. I bought the purple one this past weekend for $1, and Candace said I should keep the purple one because this was my personal one, and Candace said, well, you should keep the purple and sell the pink. And I was like, okay, that's cool. I can do that. I don't care. The pink is in like really good condition, so it made sense. I didn't sell it with a charger or anything like that. I sold it bare, and I know it works. I've actually used it for, you know, pretty good many hours. $24.99 free ship is what I got for that. The other one, which I guess is really what I'm selling because they have the same specs and everything, the other one I bought for $1 at a yard sale. So really good sale. All right, this next one I'm going to show y'all. This is what I woke up to yesterday morning. I just wake up, grab my phone. What I sell? I love doing it. I do. I'm sure a lot of y'all do the same thing. This is it right here. Tactical suit Batman. I had it listed for like $240 something, and I got an offer for $200 plus shipping, and I wiped the sleep away from my eyes and I hit accept. So good sale. I like it. Sold an Xbox 360 controller. This one right here, little camo wireless controller. Got $14.99 plus shipping on top for this. Sold a board game. I still do buy them. I had this thing, I just like buying board games, so why fight it, right? Wow, it must be way up there because I don't see it yet. Looking for I Love Lucy. Let me grab my, oh, it's right here. I see it. I'm still gonna need the step ladder though. Yeah, I've got that stuff piled nice and high. Just not the best, not the most efficient way whenever it comes to pulling orders, but it's pretty good for fitting a lot of stuff in here. I got Lucy out, and this is sealed. Got it at estate sale 3 weeks ago or so, something like that. I think it was 3 weeks ago. Paid a buck or two for this. It wasn't much. Actually, I remember this. I found it out in the carport, and yeah, I paid a couple bucks or $1. Sold an Amiibo. All I've listed from that lot of stuff so far are these Amiibos. I sold 8-bit guy here, $19.99 plus shipping on top for him. And these are light. This will probably ship. I imagine I'll probably ship it in a box like this. Yeah, that's good. It'll ship in that kind of box. $19.99 plus shipping on top. Been on a roll with these key fobs lately. Been on a roll. Got an offer yesterday on one for $60 plus shipping, which is just like 10% off of my normal price. So I took it. 60 bucks plus shipping on top. And another amiibo sold. It was Link. This sold for $74.99 plus shipping. So far I've got 95 in sales from that lot. Now admittedly, this is like one of the best pieces. This and the other, there's another amiibo that I listed like right around the $75 price point. So in retrospect, was that a good deal for all that stuff? No, it wasn't. Am I going to lose money on that deal? Probably not, but I could potentially lose some time if I either make no profit or little profit. The time I put into it, unless the display thing does better than the display thing is the unknown, because I mean, if I get a bunch of money for that, maybe that could save the deal. I don't know. It wasn't a good deal though, I'll admit that. Okay, I have another item going out here. It's a Marvel Select brown uniform Wolverine. Oh, I see it right here. This guy. I sold this for not a lot. Some of the Wolverine stuff was cheaper. I mean, it's like a Walmart type toy, I guess. Whatever. $16.99 plus shipping on top is what I got for that guy. So pretty decent sales day. This is a excuse me, this is a Monday of sales, and man, that's pretty good. I'm digging that. So let me get this stuff packed up. Oh, this is going FedEx for sure. Everything else is going USPS. First class, international package first class. Oh, if y'all didn't know, when it comes to international first class package, the domestic first class package limit is 16 ounces. International first class package limit is 4 pounds. So if y'all don't have experience with shipping directly to a customer via international postage, or instead of using like GSP, then know that up to 4 pounds international first class package. So that may be helpful. Above that, you're pretty much going to have to go, unless you use some kind of FedEx or UPS service, pretty much going to have to go international priority, which is expensive. Okay guys, I need to cut this video short today, unfortunately. I just cannot spend time on this video past this. I did enjoy sharing these sales with y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed the video, and I thank you for watching it. So I'll see y'all again tomorrow. Tomorrow, the video will be packing all this stuff. Y'all been asking for a packing video, and I do want to do like, an all-inclusive how do you pack stuff thing. But I think, this is a nice mix of stuff here. Smalls, mediums, internationals, larger stuff, USPS and FedEx. So this will be a good one for me to just go, okay, I'm doing it like this, and I'll show some packing. So stay tuned for that tomorrow. Thanks again for watching. I'll see y'all then. Bye-bye.